Caldwell was different, and he came to know the mountains and the rivers and the forests and the wildlife of China so well that he devoted years to recording what he saw.
On the morning of June 30th, as one of the series of events of Bond with Kuliang 2026, the launch ceremony of Chinese version of South China birds was held on Kuliang Club, Kuliang, Fuzhou. When it comes to H.R. Caldwell, people often think of his heroic fight against man-eating tigers to protect villages. But his true passion was the delicate beauty of birds. He was a dedicated naturalist who spent years collecting specimens and capturing the essence of Fujian's avian life. In 1931, Caldwell, alongside his children, published South China Birds. This seminal work depicted 550 species, many of which were photographed right here in Kuliang. It remains a cornerstone in ornithological history, a scientific gift to the world. A century later, through relentless effort, the Chinese version of this book has finally been released.
我们是2025年7月开始接触华南鸟类的这个编译工作。在这个书的编译过程当中，个人觉得这个遇到的最大的困难就是想把这个英文原著当中的有关鸟类的那种韵味，用中文恰当的给它还原出来。
早期的分类系统和现在有 DNA 技术以后的分类系统是差距很大的，所以在英文原版书里面，我们有大量初期的翻译，其实是核对不上现有的鸟的名字，因为它当时的叫法跟现在叫法差异比较大。我在翻译过程中，我就很想，假设能穿越，我能跟柯先生说一句：柯先生，您当时的很多问题，我现在能帮您回答了。
Nowadays, birders like Caldwell still head to Kuliang to keep tracking the distribution of local birds.
When you look at this book, you think, oh, this is about birds. But I believe it's about something that's much larger than birds. And he came to know the mountains and the rivers and the forests and the wildlife of China so well that he devoted years to recording what he saw. And because of that effort, this book preserves a world that in some ways has disappeared. So this book is a record of Fujian's natural beauty, and it shows a deep love and respect from one family's eyes and the feelings they felt for this place.
Thank you so much for this honor, for ensuring that his legacy will endure and the knowledge that he accumulated over 44 years in China will always be there as a resource. Thank you so much.